Hi, this is Matt with Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff. On today's video, we're going to be doing a quick video on how to where to get and how to install the driver and software for the Gobi 3000 card. The Gobi 3000 card is a 3G card that is multi-carrier. It's similar to the Gobi 2000. It's just a newer version of the Gobi 2000. It shows up in Device Manager as the MC8355, as you can see here. To get the drivers and the software for it, just open up a web browser. Any web browser, it doesn't matter which one. Go to Google. And type in Panasonic drivers. And usually the first link, it says driver download, computers and tablets support Panasonic. That's the page you want to go to. From there, you want to click where it says other downloads. And then go to where it says wireless carrier. That'll take you to the wireless carrier software. This is all the software for all the different cards, all the different mobile broadband cards that Panasonic supports. The Gobi 3000 will be under multi-carrier. As you can see here, MC8355, which is what you see in Device Manager, is the driver. Under Gobi 3000, it works for AT&T, Sprint, and Verizon. You'll need to download the Sierra Air Card Watcher program. And you'll need to download the actual driver, of course. Just give it a moment to download them both before you start installing anything. Okay, so they're both downloaded. I would suggest installing the driver first before you install the Sierra Watcher. So I always just extract the files rather than running it through the zip file. I just find it easier and better off to do it that way. So extract the files as I just did right there, and then open up the folder. Do the driver first. Just follow the instructions on screen. There's no special settings you have to change along the way. Just use the default values and just keep clicking next or install until it's finished. As you can see here, it's picking up the drivers for the card. The setup is done. Wait until it actually picks up all the drivers for the card though, before you move on to the next step of installing the watcher, the Sierra Watcher. Just give it a moment to install the drivers properly. Once the driver's done, which I will show you once they finish installing, it'll show up under modems, network adapters, and ports. And it should show up under USB as well. You can tell it to skip getting drivers from Windows Update. It'll just speed the process up a little bit, seeing as it's going to get to this point anyways.
We got a live question on the chat.
Okay.
Do you know which mobile data card is used for the CF29?
Not offhand. The CF29 mobile data cards, they're really old. They're not even, they don't even use the Gobi 1000s.
Oh, really? Okay.
I could look into it and we could post it in the comments, but it's not, it's a really old card. It's not even the Gobi 1000 that they use. Okay, so it's come up with all the, it picked up all the drivers, and as you can see here, it's showing up under network adapters, it's showing up under modem, it's showing up under ports, and it's showing up under USB. So now that the driver software is installed, you just need to install the Sierra Watcher, which you should have already downloaded and extracted. Just follow the instructions on screen, the usual licensing agreement. There's no special settings or any buttons that you have to click along the way. Just use the default values and keep clicking next or install until it's done. It'll ask for permission for the program to run. Go ahead and give it permission. Okay, so as you can see, the software is finished installing. This is the software you will use to access your card. You need to have a SIM card inserted in order for it to work. And it needs to be activated on your account, whether it's Verizon, AT&T, or Sprint. Once you have it activated and you put the SIM card in, it'll pick up which carrier it is, and it'll pick up the speed depending on what your account's set up for, and you'll be able to go ahead and use the mobile broadband card to get access to the internet. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, just let us know. You can give us a call anytime at 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email, which is tech_support@bobjohnson.com. That's pretty much all for this video. Like I said, if you have any questions, any comments, or any suggestions, just let us know. Thank you. Have a good day.